Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee mix, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to actually shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold the power key and volume up. Okay, so there is the vibration, which is indicating that the phone has shut off. So hold the power key and volume up. Okay, and from here you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, using volume up only, like so, and confirm the selection with volume down. Then the next thing we should see is the Android with no command. So once you see this, all you need to do is hold the power key, and while holding power key you want to tap on volume up once, like so, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here we'll use volume up and down to navigate, like this. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. Then you should see cache wipe complete at the bottom, and all you need to do now is just press power key, considering that reboot system now is selected by default. And once the device powers back on, the process will be fully finished. Oops, not really what I wanted to open. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.